up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have friend mail! Yay! So my girl Jean from Pinkee Jean sent me this box last year, and it actually got sent back to her because I didn't have time to get to my P.O. box, and I didn't know that the box was there. So she is such a super sweet lady that she offered to send it to me again, and she did, and I got it this time. Well, even though things are really crazy for me right now, I'm trying to make sure that I check my P.O. box every couple of weeks at the very least to make sure that I get anything that might be coming in. So this was a pleasant surprise, and it couldn't come in at a better time because I am working my butt off for my son's school, and you don't get paid for that, but it's totally worth it for the kids. But boy, have I been really busting my butt at my son's school, and it just, it's draining, but it is fun too at the same time. So I don't know. At any rate, that's not what this video is about. This video is about the awesome friend mail that I got from Jean. So if you guys are not familiar with Jean, her channel is called Pinkee Jean, and she does all kinds of fun stuff on her channel. And Jean is such an awesome friend. I mean, I haven't even been able to get over to her channel as much as I would like to, yet she still comes over to my channel and watches the videos that she's interested in, and she still sends me awesome things. So guys, if you don't know who Jean is and you haven't checked out her channel, please make sure that you check her out right after you're done watching this video. So I was so excited to get to this that I didn't open it before I started. So let me go ahead and pause this. I'll come back after I get my box cutter to open this up. All right. Okay, you guys want to know something funny? I so didn't need to pause the video because it turns out my box cutter is right here. I'm a little more organized than I thought I was because I haven't filmed in like 20 years, it feels like. And there was only one piece of tape to cut, so I could have just stayed on, but whatever. At any rate, she has these awesome stickers that she puts on her friend mail. It says, "You're amazing. Jean loves the color pink and flamingos." So she has some really nice stickers on the front of the box here. Both of us have P.O. boxes, so that's fine. But this one here says, "It is well with my soul," right here. So that is really nice. And then this one here says, "A merry heart doeth good like a medicine." And it is right, can you see it right here? And of course we have the Happy Mail sticker up at the top. So she's got all kinds of fun stuff on here. I say we dig in. That was a huge build up to what's going to be an awesome box, I'm sure. So it's all nice and tucked in there. Let's open this bad boy up. Aww. "Amber, thinking of you. Hope you're feeling better. Keep entertaining us. Just need Jean." I will try, Jean. I'm trying to get back on track. Man, oh man, did I fall off the wagon, but I'm trying really hard to get myself back on track and to try to build up enough content for when my son's school starts next year that I don't fall behind, if that makes sense. So like when things get crazy at the school, I'll still have content already built, like already filmed and ready to load so that I don't fall behind like I did this year. It says, "Thank you. Your support of my channel is so amazing, and I appreciate you." So that is really nice. I love how she has these customized things in her bags, boxes, whatever. Oh yes, I need these. Like I really need these. So these are Kristen Collagen Gold powder eye mask. Guys, I need these so bad. My eyes have seen better days because again, I work my regular job. I take care of my son, I take care of my animals, I take care of my house, and then I work at my son's school like almost all of the time, and now he's in T-ball. So this isn't a pity party for me, but I'm just saying I've been doing a lot. So those are going to come in handy. Thank you very much, Jean. And then we have a Rejuvenating Gold Peel Off Mask. I have tried these before and I do like them very much. Now these ones, if you're not a peel off mask person, these ones here can hurt like a little, not a lot. None of them hurt that bad to me, but the Freeman ones are the ones that you want to get if you really like want to do a peel off mask or haven't done one before. Try that first because those ones are more gentle on your skin. They're really easy to peel off. I don't feel a thing. I mean, it's like I didn't even peel anything off. This one, you're gonna feel it when you peel it. That sounds funny, but I'm just saying. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, Jean. I love it. And it's a wristlet. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. The letter A for Amber, and it's a wristlet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love it. I mean, I love it. Those of you who know me know that I really don't like to carry an actual purse. I do carry a wristlet though. all the time. I love wristlets, but I'm going to want to take care of this one. Is so nice. Oh my gosh, I love it, Jean. I mean, I love it. Did I say I love it? Yeah, because I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Plenty of room for your money and your, the other side here, sorry. Plenty of room for your credit cards. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. I mean, I really love this, and I will use this little piece of foam to craft with. Don't even think that I won't. I'm just saying, I definitely will. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so awesome. Thank you, Jean. And then we have some foaming facial cleanser. The little thing came off, but it's sealed, so there is no leakage, you guys. That's awesome. Sukin signature. Here you go. This is what it looks like. Awesome. I use, obviously, facial cleanser all of the time, and I'm always down to try a new one. And I gotta say, it is rare for me to like something so much that I get in like my BoxyCharm or my Ipsy. Like it so much that I want to buy it. But I gotta say, the Saturday Skin brand has me sold on their sleep mask, their vitamin C sleep mask. I love that thing. Like, I'll start to get breakouts before I go to bed. I'll put that stuff on my skin. I wake up in the morning, they're gone. I'm not exaggerating. I'm not kidding. I think that stuff is awesome. So in order to get the free shipping, you had to buy so much though. So I bought some of their other products, including a facial cleanser, and it is so good, you guys. I'll probably keep reordering from them because I really like their products. I think they're that good. I'm just saying. So, yes! So these are stickers. Okay, so this is Captain Marvel stickers, you guys. She knows that I love my superheroes. And this is awesome. So I don't have any stickers like this. So this is what's even more awesome about these stickers. I have none like this whatsoever. I'm gonna have to think of something really fun to do with these. And again, guys, my son is done with school next month. So when he's done with school, going to work on building up all of my content so that I can have enough to post at least 2 videos per week, DIY videos rather, 2 videos per week that are DIY, and then I'll have my unboxings. I'll just do those as they come, of course, but I'm just saying 2 per week so that I can make it through his school year, even though, this stuff will be pre-filmed. I'm trying to make it make sense, and it's not making sense as I'm talking, so I'm just going to stop. Oh, how cute! Magnetic scene for cars. Oh my gosh. Listen, my son loves cars. He's going to love this. Look, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so fun for him. He loves cars. So this is awesome, you guys. I'm really, oh, thank you, Jean. I'm really excited to give that to him. That is so fun. Guys, that is all that she put in here, and that is more than enough. Again, please make sure that you check out Jean as soon as you get done watching this video, guys. She is absolutely awesome. Now, I do have a box of goodies for Jean. I've been building stuff up to send to my friends. I sent Lois a box recently, and of course, I've already started gathering stuff to do another box for her. I have a box for Jean, and I have a box for Kim. Her channel is called Kim's Happy Place, I think is what she calls her channel now. I have boxes for all of these lovely ladies, okay? So here's the thing. I know, and I'm not going to promise it before then. I know I will most likely not get to send any of these boxes before June or July at the earliest. So maybe I'll do like a Christmas in July thing and send these ladies their boxes. But I do have a box for you, Jean, and I got some really fun, different stuff that I hope you don't have. I haven't been watching your channel as much as I would like to. Now, sometimes I do watch you guys and I don't necessarily have time to comment, but I'm like peeping in and I'm hitting the like, but I haven't been able to like have time to comment because I'm either traveling or I'm doing something. It's just, I didn't have a chance to. So I'll try to go back and comment on the videos that I may have already watched, but I'm just saying, sometimes I do watch and sometimes I just don't have enough time to, you know, comment because I might be watching in between, waiting on some kids at the school. You never know. I just try to work it in whenever I have time. But I try to support my friends as much as I possibly can, especially awesome friends like Jean and Kim and Lois. I love them all dearly. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. And don't forget to check out Jean, and I'll catch you in my next one.